Hey there, trivia lovers. Welcome back to QuizzifyMe Now, your go-to spot for fun and engaging quizzes that challenge your knowledge. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Kahoot. Get ready to test your skills and learn some cool facts along the way. Grab your pens and paper, and let's jump right in. What is Kahoot primarily used for? Game development? Online quizzes? Social media? Video conferencing? Online quizzes. When was Kahoot launched? 2011, 2013, 2015, 2017. – 2013. What is the maximum number of players in a Kahoot game? 1,000, 500, 2,000, 100. – 2,000. Which feature allows users to create quizzes? Kahoot Studio, Kahoot Creator, Kahoot Maker, Kahoot Editor. Kahoot Creator. What type of questions can you include in Kahoot? Only multiple choice? Only true/false? Multiple choice and true/false? Open-ended? Multiple choice and true/false. What does a Kahoot refer to? A type of game? A quiz? A player? A score? A quiz. Which platform is Kahoot available on? Only web? Mobile apps only? Web and mobile? Desktop only? Web and mobile. What are Kahoot games often used for in schools? Homework? Testing knowledge? Group projects? Lectures? Testing knowledge. Can Kahoot be played in teams? No. Yes. Only in classrooms? Only online? Yes. What type of feedback does Kahoot provide? Visual only? Audio only? Both visual and audio? None? both visual and audio. What is the main goal of a Kahoot game? Fun and enjoyment, speed of answering, accuracy of answers, highest score. Fun and enjoyment. How do players join a Kahoot game? By email? With a code? By QR code? Through a link? With a code. Which feature allows you to add images to questions? Image upload, Media Manager, Visual Editor, Question Editor. Image upload. What is a common use of Kahoot in businesses? Marketing, employee training, sales tracking, product development. Employee training. What is the primary audience for Kahoot? Adults, children and teens, seniors, all ages. All ages. That's a wrap for today's Kahoot trivia. How did you do? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting quizzes from QuizzifyMe Now. Until next time, keep quizzing and stay curious. See you in the next video.